What is operator precedence in SQL syntax? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle where some pieces fit together before others. That's what operator precedence does in SQL. It decides the order in which parts of a query are evaluated. When you write complex expressions with different operators, knowing which one gets evaluated first is key. Operators are symbols or words that perform actions on data. These include arithmetic symbols like plus or minus, comparison signs like equal or greater than, and logical words like and, or, and not. Sometimes, you want to control the order of evaluation, and that's where parentheses come into play. They let you specify exactly which parts to evaluate first, overriding default rules. In SQL, the rules for operator precedence are quite specific. The highest priority is given to unary operators, like a minus sign in front of a number. Next come arithmetic operators such as exponentiation, which is like raising a number to a power. Then multiplication and division come before addition and subtraction. After these, comparison operators like equal to or greater than are evaluated. Logical not has a higher precedence than and, which in turn is evaluated before or. For example, if you have a condition like this, where salary greater than 40,000 or higher date after January 30, 2008 and department equals D101, the and gets evaluated first because it has higher precedence. This means the query checks the higher date and department together before applying the or condition. If you want the or condition to be evaluated first, you can add parentheses like this, where salary greater than 40,000 or higher date after January 30, 2000, and department equals D101. This way, the or condition is processed first, changing the overall result. Knowing these rules helps you write clearer, more accurate SQL queries. It also reduces mistakes that can happen when the order of operations isn't obvious. Using parentheses wisely makes your queries easier to read and understand. This is especially useful when building complex filters or calculations in your database operations. In the end, operator precedence in SQL is about making sure your expressions are evaluated in the right order. It's a simple set of rules that, once understood, makes writing and debugging SQL much easier. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it becomes to write queries that do exactly what you want.